Yeah, nice. Good morning to all. This is our mineripitiya wonderful training center in Ratnapura, especially Sabragama province, trademark of in terms of education development. You see, we are in very early morning here. Do you know why? Can you listen? Can you listen my voice? Wow, that's not good. Please take action. Wow, that's a wonderful. Our friends are calling us for a beautiful day. Just watch it. Got it? Wow. That's why we are going to walk for and identify and to tell them, teach us your wonderful melodious language. This is Robia Health in Ratnapura, main Repetia Teaching Center. Yeah, hurry up. All ready to do this. Join with us. Good morning.